Alright, welcome to a quick demo of Inventory Tetris. This is a quick little vibe coding project I spun up. You have items and this item builder here. It starts with a default set of items ranging from backpacks to game controllers, books, board games, etc. You can click on an item and edit it, and editing has the ability to change the grid size that that item actually takes up, the height that it takes up, the weight and value, and then the icon associated with that item, the color, the description, and then you can add an image to every item. If that item is a storage container, for instance, this backpack is a storage container, it takes up 3x4, but then down here you can see that the inner storage of the backpack is 5x6, and you can increase that and change it to whatever you want. Once you've made your changes, you click Update Item, and editing items is as easy as that. You've got a room builder here, so let's create a test room. You start with no rooms. If we come here, let's set up a quick room called, let's go Office. And the icon will be, if I type in a search for Office, it'll be this one here. We'll just put a printer icon. Now the grid dimensions here, let's make that 20 by 25 or 45. What's that? 25 here. Oh, sorry. That is, there we go. And you can color the room as well. So we'll create a room. If we go home, we'll see the office is down here. From the right hand side, you can drag objects. There's a laptop, there's a phone. You can rotate objects using R. And if you bring in my camera's in the way. If you bring in a backpack, which takes up that much space, the backpack can contain other items. When you add items to storage containers, you can see this little progress donut that shows you how much of that item, how much of that storage container is full. If we open this up, you can see the items inside, and so we've got room for more items. If you've got an item open and you command click on these, it basically fills in the spaces. Oh, the blender's too big for the backpack, so it won't put it in. You can auto arrange by compacting things by category or name inside the item, and then you can hover over items and hit X, and that'll delete. The sounds you're hearing can be customized via this settings icon, as can the background grid. So you can change the background grid style, you can change the item. So I've put a bunch of random sounds here. Click for place and drop, flick for rotate, dissolve for remove, deny, and the open container. You don't have to save, they are auto saved in the background. So if we come back here and move these around. Now, this is kind of I did this for whatever reason. It was just something, I think I was playing a game that had some sort of inventory Tetris mechanic in it, and thought I'll see if I can create that. You can filter here by objects, and as you're creating objects, you can assign one of the categories to them, adding images is a game changer. So if I flip across to this, here's one that I've added some images to, so you can see this backpack and the sneakers and the phones and the board games. If you right click and inspect an item, you can kind of see the item here. So if I want to inspect this jacket, if I open up the backpack, I've got a bunch of items in the backpack. If I open up the camera, there's a little SD card within the camera, and yes, that's kind of it. I think it's just a bit of fun, and yeah, you can easily clear these items. Clearing them essentially just sends them off the grid, and then clicking them here adds them back, or command clicking, sorry. Or you can click this little plus here. So you've got your settings icons, settings area here. You've got a little about modal that pops up here. Everything else is quite straightforward. Home, room builder, item builder. Enjoy.